This video will be going over the basic operation of STExplorer for use with the Universal 4 Density Compensation Module, henceforth known as the DCM. Software is free and is located at our website, drexelbrook.com. Click on Support, Software Download. Scroll towards the bottom, you'll see STExplorer Density Cut Monitor software. Download it, install it. Basic setup of the DCM can be accomplished from the keypad. However, this software allows for more advanced settings, diagnostics, and the ability to save parameters so they can be reviewed or uploaded to another device. Let's begin. Double-click Launch STExplorer. Select Devices, Add Device. Should say U4CM-DC. Stands for Universal 4 Cut Monitor Density Compensation. Part 7 protocol and the polling address should not have to be changed. However, your serial COM port may need to be adjusted. Select Connect, then select Add Device. Now click Close. Select Tools, Variable Handler GUI. Graphic User Interface. This window allows us to select different lists that are options for the DCM. Select a list, load list. If you decide that you wanted to select a different list, you must reload the list. You can, however, have more than one list right next to each other. If you want to read an item, you can either read it individually or by selecting Read All. I recommend that you hit individual read first to make sure you have a successful read, because if you have a failed read, you'll get a pop-up that forces you to acknowledge that there was an error. There's an error, it'll pop up for every single item if you've done Read All. When you make changes, the text field will change colors. This lets you know that a change has been made, but it has not been written to the device. If you need help on what an item is, hover it inside the text box and a pop-up help will show you what it means. You can either write individually or write all. If you want to save a list, click on Assign Defaults. Be a pop-up telling you that you're going to overwrite the current defaults. Select OK. Save List As becomes selectable. Click on that, and you can now save your list. You can save this wherever you want, but keep in mind that the list must be in this user list directory in order for STExplorer to read it. Once you've saved a list and you want to open it, close the window and open up a new one, and that file should show up here. Now, if you wanted to leave the program running and disconnect from this device and load another device, go to Add Device while you're still connected, select the current COM port that you're on, hit Connect, and a new pop-up shows up. You can either reconnect or remove. In this case, we would remove. At this point, it would be safe to disconnect the DCM from the loop and then connect the new device. This concludes the basic operations of STExplorer video.